Here at Root Cause Resolution, we offer a service called Melt, Mold, and Move. And anybody dealing with any sort of functional pain, or even looking to get a little bit more mobility throughout the body, and even professional athletes looking for a recovery or restorative session can benefit from our Melt, Mold, and Move sessions. The melting portion of this three-step process is trying to break up any viscosity in your myofascia lining. Your myofascia is the casing around the muscle, and it can harden and knot up, and that's where people believe that there are knots in their body that they may actually feel. And what we do in this melting portion is we're actually trying to rehydrate that area and get some better circulation and blood flow to that area. Once we have done that process, we will move on to our second portion, the molding portion, where we're going to try to stretch and lengthen that muscle in 3 planes of motion. Once we have completed that process, then we move to the moving portion, and that is where we're going to create some activation through some potential strength exercises that'll get the body activated and telling that muscle to now turn on after we got better blood flow and better length to the area. And in this process, we may utilize some different tools in an office here. For example, a foam roller, even a massage ball, something that'll get a little bit deeper if we need it, or even a percussion instrument like I have here, which is a hypervolt. And the reason why I'm sharing these different tools that we use here in office, even though there's a variety that we still utilize here that I did not show, and there's still more out there that other people can utilize, is because we prescribe this also as homework that clients can do in between their sessions to make sure the body is really speeding up this recovery process and feeling good, whether, again, they're trying to restore or getting out of functional pain.